to do 3 cans of milk powder in 3 seconds, and global retailers lose 2.7 billion annually due to this. Today, we'll end the material in the time. It will take 1 cup of coffee. After installation, the milk powder loss rate will drop from 17% to 0.8%. Milk powder tag. Install 1 second. Locks when the snap onto the bottom of the can. Cannot be disassembled without professional tools. Milk powder buckle. Steel wire winding. Groove locking. Cannot be easily unfastened, even with violent pulling. Compatible with 99% canned products. Immediately, we take out of the store without payment. No need to modify the cells. Ready to install and use. For stores or pills that installed milk powder antitheft device, the milk powder loss rate dropped by 80%. We can customize your logo on it. Get the anti-theft solution via private message.